Hello, my name is Johnny. Welcome to another World War II 172 scale. Today we're going to look at a Revell kit, Soviet Cossacks. I'm going to look at them on the sprue out of the package. If you'd like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, reply, and share. Let's take a look here. Quick overview. Take a closer look. A box. We have a nice painting guide here. Here they show the original size, just about the right size here. There's a couple basic colors and how to paint their top of their hat. Let's take a look at this one first that mainly has horses. Few different designs on the position of their legs and hooves. See their packs on there. Looks like some commanders with the capes. See their weapons. This is a bit softer type of plastic. See how they slot into the back there. Very nice. Let's take a look at the other sprue. All their capes. Germans had a bit of cavalry too in World War II. And the Cossack units are very effective against some standard infantry. And the attack with the speed of the horses. So on these, a little bit to get the capes attached. These might be a little bit harder to glue because of the type of this plastic. I don't know if I use regular model glue or the Silenite super glue type. So that's a look at the sprues and the box. Pretty straightforward kit. Let's see what they say here. Several languages. All the armies involved in the Second World War, the Red Army had the biggest cavalry whose regiments formed separate cavalry corps recruited from areas in the Caucasus and the southern steppe of Russia. The Cossacks have traditionally formed part of these units. I think I had did a review of part of a German cavalry unit. If I can remember to find it, I'll put it in the end here. All right, so that's a look of a nice addition to your infantry choices on the Russian front. Cavalry units, Cossacks. Until next time, thank you for watching, everybody.